So today we're going to be looking at the switcher from Vapresso, which comes as a kit with the NRG Mini tank. We'll have a quick unboxing, take a look at the tank, the coils included, and have a good nose around this 220 watt mod. Yes, 220 watts. Strap yourselves in. So taking a look at the box, there's a fabric pull tab to slide it out from the sleeve, which then opens up to two sides. Everything about this packaging oozes quality. I do love good quality packaging. On the left, we have a slim box containing an envelope that holds the warranty card, the full instructions in a variety of languages, and a braided USB to micro USB cable. On the right, say hello to the future. This cover hinges back to reveal a card highlighting all the different qualities of all of the available coils, not just the ones that come within this kit. Then there's the tank with a pre-installed GT4 0.15 ohm coil, spare glass and O-rings, the second coil, the GT8 0.15 ohm coil, and finally, the mod. All of the coils available are the GTs 2, 4, 6, and 8, and the GT C-cell, which rather than a wound wire like the others, the coil is ceramic, which Vapresso boasts provides a smoother, spit-free vape with much more durability. Pause the video here to have a look at the breakdown for each of the compatible coils. The tank, the NRG Mini, is 2 ml capacity TPD compliant, with a wide open airflow and a hinged top fill cover that stops short, only uncovering the filling hole and avoiding any chance of accidentally pouring liquid straight into the coil. Like, who would make that mistake? The tank is also installed with a drip tip, which is a standard 810 size, so not compatible with the 510s. Might be worth bearing in mind. Finally in the box is the mod itself, the switcher. Why the switcher? Well, the cover can be removed and replaced with a different color and design, opening up a world of customization for your mod. It's not the finicky snap-off, snap-on system of the Nokia 8210 either, if you remember that little masterpiece. It's simply a case of opening the battery door at the bottom and sliding off the outer sleeve and replacing with another. You can see when the mod is powered up, underneath the cover is a lighting panel with full RGB to give you a variety of lighting options that interact differently with various covers. As you can see when the battery door is open, this mod requires two 18650 batteries to run it, which aren't included in the kit. Polarity guides for the battery installation are both on the inside of the battery door and at the bottom, or top, depending on how you're looking at it, inside those battery slots. Those batteries power the mod up to a maximum of 220 watts. All 510 compatible tanks will fit no problem with the sprung-loaded connection, and there's also room on the base plate for a bigger tank than the NRG Mini that comes with the kit. The front is populated with a large fire button at the top, below that an OLED screen, plus and minus buttons, a dedicated mode button, and finally a micro USB port, which can be used for both charging if you don't have a dedicated battery charger, and also to be used for firmware updates. To operate, 5 quick presses doesn't just lock the mod, like most. 5 quick presses of the fire button actually switches the mod on or completely off, not just a standby. 3 quick presses of the fire button will lock the settings that you've set, but not the fire button. And 3 quick presses of the mode button enters into settings, with a quick flash of how to navigate the menu system. It's great to have a separate mode button, as sometimes with the fire button doing everything on a mod, you can be firing the coil when you kind of don't want to. Furthermore, you're naturally going to be using that fire button a lot, so less presses of the fire button when adjusting settings will no doubt help to reduce wear and tear of the mod itself. Into the mode menu, you can see first up is VW, or variable wattage, which can be set to soft, normal, or hard. This refers to the speed in which the coil in the tank is heated up, slow being a slow gradual heat, normal being the standard heating rate of a coil, and hard being an almost instantly heated coil. There's also the option of CCW, which enables you to set a custom power curve in variable wattage mode to give you a fully customized vape. VT can be set for temperature controlled vaping, giving you the option to dial in a stainless steel, nickel, or titanium coil. And finally, in the vaping options, there are 2 custom preset modes to have precisely what you want, get it set, and save those settings for use later. The display has individual indicators for each of the batteries. Next to those are the currently selected mode and the vaping strength. The display also shows the currently installed coil resistance. The watts of the mod range from 5 to 220 watts, increasing in 0.1 increments, and below that is a puff counter and timer. As for the lights, you can set it to a single color that flashes or gives that fading in and out breathing effect when you press the fire button. You can change it to multicolor or off if a flashing mod isn't to your taste. All in all, the Switcher is a robust piece of kit with almost endless combinations of setting to get your vape precisely how you want it. A pretty customizable kit from a quite clearly quality manufacturer. So that's the Switcher with the NRG Mini Kit. Check out the links below for everything discussed in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.